Hello everyone, I'm Huntress Cat, as you can tell by the name of the channel. I got this lovely loot Thursday, and it's now Saturday. Being a little bit lazy. Yeah, so gonna be opening this. This one was Mecha, I think. I'll be wrong. Watch it, I'll be wrong. I have it in my emails, but I can't be stuffed. If you don't know what Loot Gaming is, it is a branch of Loot Crate, which is a monthly subscription service where you get awesome stuff like said beanie. I don't have other loot stuff on my desk at the present moment. You get awesome gamery, geeky stuff. This cost me about 47 Australian dollars. All the prices on the site are generally in American, so I can't think of what it is in American. Ships are nearly anywhere and everywhere. Now, as I said, I'll have to go through my emails. I can't remember what was in this crate. No, that's the normal crate. No, that's to say, hey, do you like the stuff? It's funny how I get the hey, do you like the stuff email before I even get the crate. I'm gonna drop my iPad. Ooh. No, I think I've got too far back. Shit. Watch, I'll be wrong. Yes, that's not it. So, and that's also anime. I think I've already done Mecha. So this will be September. Oi. I am really not with it. So I had the correct email to begin with. Anime gaming. Okay. Crush. The thing was Battleground. See, totally with it. My lovely iPad today. So we had Fallout 4, Gears of War 4, Deadrising, Dark Souls, and Battlezone. So this shall be fun. Why are all my WoW swords in the bedroom? Shall use the tag on my phone. I think I use the tag on my phone to open them in every single video. Ow. Okay. No. Sip or sip. Okay. Well, this is blankly obvious. We have a Fallout 4 shirt with all different versions of, I think it's Vault Boy. I do not play this, by the way. Hey, we have a special little sticker we can take off. Well, more colour to my collection. I have to say, it actually is really cool. What is there? Evil. With a lock, so that's probably the Vault. I know there's like a strength one and a... Hey! Yes. Pardon me, just ate breakfast. The survival guide. Here's Dracula. The light bulb. Dude with guns. I think that's meant to be God. That's a strange one. You know something's good when it's in its own little bag. Oh, shit. Battlezone. I have not played this either. I have not seen this. But this explains why it's in its own little bag. To add my collection to my anime ones. We have maybe Vincent. Battlezone shot glasses. My Tokyo Ghoul ones from my anime crate, God knows how long ago, is still in its box. I don't drink, let alone take shots, but you know, you could probably like put some soda in there. Hey, this one's different. It says Battlezone, see? Battlezone. So, they're cute. I never thought they would do shot glasses. Ow! My chai hurts. Shot glasses. 1 second. Need chai. It's gone cold. If you can't tell, that's the cute but deadly mug, and it's got Sylvanas on one side and Tawande on the other. It's got yummy, yummy chai in it, because I don't drink coffee. This is from Gears of War 4. I have played, I think, number 3. I think. It's the gun with the chainsaw. One, two, ow, not my thumb. And we just squidge it up. Will do. I think it's going to go over the, like that, and that's going to be squished. Ha! I do not know the name of this gun, but it's got a chainsaw. I know it's very, very lethal. But here's a little plastic replica with a tiny little stand. See if I can get it to stand on my phone. Hey, it stands on my phone. My brother, if he still plays Gears of War, will be rather jealous. I'll have to say that this is heavy. This is from Deadrising 4. Watch Friends Play number 2. I have to say it's really funny how you can have a Lego head on your head when you're in the mall. Uh-oh. Okay, here's me complaining that I don't have pokey tools to open the boxes. Right? They gave me a frickin' multi-tool. See, we've got the, you know, the usual. But we've got a torch. Hang on. See ya. By the way, I speak gibberish when I'm going to drop something. Is there like an on-off button? Maybe I've got to get out of the plastic. I take it the name on the multi-tool Frank West is the person who played Deadrising 4. Yeah. Tiny things, no nails. I think I might leave that. I don't even know if it's meant to work. You think it would if you got batteries in it. Who knows? the not working torch. I'm not good with screwdriver names. Oh, you've actually got to actually have it opened to open this side. We've got the flathead screwdriver. We've got the star head. I guess you could use that as a bottle opener as well. We've got yeah, that's the star head. Actually, that would be the bottle opener. And to be perfectly honest, I do not know what this last one's for, so I'm going to use it as a tool to open my loot crates from now on. But yes, they gave me my own multi-tool. Ha 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 ha. There's no keyring bit on it though, which is rather bizarre, because they usually do have a keyring bit. But yeah, it has Frank West on it, so I guess that's the dude you play. As I said, I don't actually play Rising Dead. Deadrising. Jeez, Rising Dead. It's got a little pouch with Deadrising 4 on it, which you can hang onto your belt or whatnot. Yes, phone, I heard you. Now, we got a Dark Souls Legends of the Flame. Yeah. Comic book. I'm debating if I'm going to take it out of the packaging. Looks so pretty in there. And we've got our Battleground pin, and it's got a little skull and a army helmet on a battlefield. My nose is itchy. Don't mind me. And we usually get gaming manuals. They've changed it. And we got a poster. Look at it, your nose. That's the name of the gun. A Lancer. Replica. And on the back, it has all the doodads. We usually get a manual. So that's a change. Now, as you can see by the top up there, I have got a lot. And we just turn them in. It's really thin. But we turn it inside out without killing it. So I don't bend it in a funky direction. And I'm going to have to find space because I'm running out. But we've got, okay, they look like shotguns, so I'm going to call them a shotgun rack. We've got, the box. So that's rather cool. Poster's neat. But I do prefer the manuals. More pins to add to my collection. I think I might leave that in the box for now. Actually, no, I'll leave it on my desk because I have more videos to do in the box. That's rather cool. Shot glasses. Yeah, he can stay out. I'll leave that out. I've got another shirt to wear. So, clothes. I hate zombies as well. So this is going to be rather funny. I just say the best thing I liked out of it was the fact that I got my own little multi-tool. That's from a zombie game. I hate zombies and clowns. They just scare me. They scare the living bejesus out of me. And dolls. So I'm not good with horror movies. So I get scared really easily. But yeah, I'll just say this is rather neat. A little multi-tool. Also got my chai. That's getting kind of cold. Mixy. Also, think it's purple. The cup, not the multi-tool. My little iPad with my Eevee. Now. I thought haven't they revealed it? This is Cloud. You cannot have my drink. Cloud. Why haven't they revealed the next theme? Cloud. You settle. Oh, I haven't even opened the email, so I can't find it. Okay. The next theme is October's theme, so this month, is Rumble. It's got an Overwatch picture. Click to reveal all franchise. They didn't have it in the email. We are late. Let's put that there. Yes, Cloud. As you can see, if she detaches from my jacket jumper, she's wearing the Loot Pet collar. Though I've stopped getting them because it was getting tacky because I'm in Australia and we don't get stuff. Don't get food. Okay, so the October theme is Rumble. We get Overwatch. So yay, more of stuff. Zelda. Titanfall 2, because I do know that is coming out rather soon. I think it's on the 28th it comes out for us. And Sonic the Hedgehog. Yes. More Sonic. I think I'm going to be stuck doing videos with the cat in my lap. So, yeah, that is it. I finally got internet, so uploading galore. So basically, by the time I've edited this video, I'll have all of August stuff up. No, Renee. And, yeah, haven't had internet for 2 months. Not a bad show, though. So, yeah. That is it for this lovely video. I do have a link in my thingo where you can get $5 off your first subscription WhatsApp. Hopefully, I think the link still works. I think it does. Hope it does. And I have, all the stuff to my Facebook page where all the pictures of the stuff goes up. So that would be my mission or quest for the rest of the day, to do pictures of 3 box worth of stuff. If Cloud will let me, because, she's a sweetie, but she likes sitting on my lap and purring away. Okay, now I've got to let her settle. No, she's crying. That is it. Yeah, that's all I can think of. I'll probably remember something and I'll go, I'll just do it in the next video. Okay. Love you all. Keep safe, and I shall see you next video. I just got out. Oh, the thing's on the wrong thing.